this motorbike casing has suffered some real trauma. The area here where the drain plug was supposed to be was all smashed out. So I've welded that up. I'm going to machine it and drill it and tap it. For the drain plug, there was also a big crack through that casing there, which I've welded up. It's quite a rare casing, and the lad wanted to try and repair the bike, so I've welded up as best I can. I'll show you how I've got this clamp. You've got to look outside the box. Think outside the box as far as mounting stuff like this goes. You can't normally just put it in over vise. So all I've done is clamped it to an angle plate, which means it's going to be dead square that way, and I can kind of eyeball it the other way to get it where I want it. A little milling cutter there. We're just going to machine that flat and then drill it and tap it. The WD-40 is a lubricant, so I normally use on alloy like this. You could just do this with a file. I've done it with a file before, but when you've got a milling machine doing nothing, you might as well use it. You might say, why am I using a small milling cutter like that? Well, I've actually just sharpened this milling cutter on a little tool and cutter grinder I've been playing with, and it's the first time I've used it, so I'm quite impressed with it actually. But they will run a little bit faster. We've been changing the belts to do that. I'm quite pleased with that. The weld material looks quite solid. Like I say, all this was missing, it was gone. We'll drill a hole through it and then decide what size we're going to tap it. I'm going to drill it to 10 mil, and I'll probably end up putting a 12x1 drain plug in, which is quite a popular one in the motor trade. Nice fine thread. I think they're used on BMWs. I've definitely got a drain plug at work. For weld metal, that's machined quite nicely. Out the brake through into the crankcase now. Right, it's through. Right, I'll leave it at that. I'll make sure I have got a nice drain plug. I've got plenty of material in there now. It's built up well. No sign of porosity or nothing, so I'm really happy with that. The actual casing welded well. For some of these are good, some are bad. I used a magnesium based rod, 10% Maggie rod, and it went straight in. No problem at all. That's the thread I'm going to use. It's M12 by 1.5. It sounds a strange thread, but it's a very common thread in the motor trade. That's a 10.5 mil drill. That's a tapping drill for it. Splendid. I've also got a helicoil thread repair kit for that particular thread. The 1.5 is a really popular pitch in the motor trade. Good clean off now, it's kind of ready for the lad to take it away. Space has a nuts like this are invaluable to keep in the box for clamping things down with. I don't know how many of you viewers go on Facebook. I go on Facebook quite a lot just to keep in touch with family and friends, and there's one or two little forums on there I go on. And they do bring up your memories every now and then, just get a flash image. And there was a memory come up, and it was of my dad sitting playing his organ about 11 years ago. Wait, it was 11 years ago, with one of Keith Fenner's polo shirts on, sweatshirts on. So I just thought I'd share that image. It certainly brought back a lot of memories. A lot of really good memories, fantastic memories, and a little bit of advice. If your dad's still alive, go and see him. It's as simple as that, because the day will come when you think, oh, I wish I'd gone to my dad's. Take my advice, go and see him. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, see you on the next one.